Hi YouTube. So we got this Previa and I thought I would replace the power steering fluid, and I haven't found any other one who has done it, but as you can see it's a pretty small hole there, so I might not get a vacuum pump in. So my plan right now is we have one line here going here, and then we have another one on the back. It's hard to see, but there it is. And I'm not sure which one is the return line with the least pressure, but you can comment on that. But I think that the return line is the one that goes higher up, so the one in the back. But I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna sort of replace in the simple cheap way and do it the easy way. So now I'm gonna spray these bolts here. This, so I get them off a bit easier. This is completely empty, this. I think there are only two, and I shouldn't drop down there, I guess. That's bad. We're dropping down there. And then I'm pulling here. So the next step is to remove this piece, and I'm using just a regular, and then just slide this off. I've emptied the tank now pretty much, so I'm gonna try to remove this hose. It should be the return line. Well, I found it a bit too hard to get that hose off, so I'm gonna do it the dirty way. It's a lot of crap inside here, you can see. I can't get that off. It's pretty solid. So I'm turning the wheels front and back to jam out the last oil, the power steering fluid. While I'm doing this, the engine is off, of course. So turning the wheels front, left and right, and then again I'm taking this one and I'm gonna pull out. So I'm putting it in the hole again, and then get a little bit every time, drift by drift. Junk. So add it again. one hand it's hard. Again, turning the wheels. Gotta be strong. Over the next one-handed. So now I've been doing this perhaps 10 times, pulling and turning the wheels and so on, and I got out about half a liter, about here. So it's a pretty black gunk, so time to put in some new. So I'm putting back the clip and it's time to fill it up again. So what am I putting in it? I'm putting this one, ATF DX3. It's supposed to be Dextron 3 according to the manual. Or Dextron 2, so I'm gonna use this one. Should be okay. I'll try to put in half a liter. So I've just filled it, and as you can see, I filled it to the top. It's a reddish color, so I don't know, I've put in about 4 deciliter I think. So I'm gonna go and turn the wheel and see if it will go down. Yeah, so I'm gonna turn this again. And let's see if we got some more space. Yeah, now it's going down. So I'm gonna keep doing that since the level is it's pretty high still. So I'm gonna do it some more. So the power steering fluid, it was replaced at 100949. And there we have it. It's almost replaced. Most of it, at least. Much cleaner. Okay, so let's see. Yeah. So it's about time to start. Looks like we have level. It's been standing there for a while. So let's see. First start. Oh. Doesn't sound so good. I will check and refill. Well, I've refilled some more. Starting to sound better. Yee! Not perfect. I've been turning the wheel now. Starting to sound better. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna refill, check it again. Bye bye.